Hey guys, welcome to Be Always Fortune. In this video we are going to see how to set a GIF background in Google Chrome to download GIF. And here's the important note. To download this you guys wanna to add .png after this. Click here. After it again click Upload from others. And then it opens your file explorer and you wanna to choose the GIF that you wanna to add. I think this may helpful to many people. This is for today's video. Like if you liked, subscribe if you loved. See you soon with another one. Have a nice day.